Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle and bushralifestyle.com. I am going to teach you today how to organize a drawer. As I always say in my video that I do have an accent, so bear with me. If you don't understand, just let me know in the comment below so I can explain things. Soon I will have those subtitles. I'm just figuring out how to do these videos. So this drawer is my brother's dresser, and it seems like my kids shovel up their things in there too. Like this seems like my daughter's homework, so they all just put two things here. So what I'm going to do, I am just taking everything down. Okay, so I'm gonna sort it out. Just bear with me as I don't have the handheld device to hold my phone. So I am just going to hold it in one hand, which is making really hard for me. But the purpose it is that to show you and guide you how to do stuff on budget, because the organizer I am going to use for this drawer is from Dollar Tree, and they are simply amazing little Dollar Tree things, which is going to make, I'm gonna show you, hang on. So these are the organizer I bought, and I'm putting them, this is an IKEA dresser. I have it on my blog, and I will put a link below in the side, so I can you can see how I painted this. This is an ugly dresser, but I painted it in midnight blue chalk paint. And advice, this is not a chalk paint video, but if you're planning, I'm gonna do a video as well, or I might have done it, just have to post it. But when you do wax, don't let you touch your kids, like they will ruin it for you before it dried out for 21 weeks. So here, these are what I bought from Dollar Tree. They are essential basket, so only $1 a piece. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if they fits perfectly, and if they do, then oh, look at that, it can't be more perfect than this. So they perfectly fit into this drawer, and the mess you guys have seen is going to go away. And I'm gonna line this drawer quickly for you and to show you. So I'm gonna pause this video, cut my liner, or I'm gonna have my daughter come and make this video for me. She's 10, so you might see my camera going here and there, but I'm so excited this. So if you have those long 6 drawers IKEA dresser, I probably put a link below for you. These are the best organizer for them. Look what I did. I probably bought one for the same color and one is different. Well, doesn't really make a difference. It looks pretty. So here, I'm gonna hold and I'm gonna line the drawer, then I'm gonna show you again. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you that I cut this template when I started the first liner. I can show you, I have done his other other drawers. So that's the liner. This is from Dollar Tree. I will leave the link below for Dollar Tree. Plus, if you don't find it there, then I buy from all over, Marshall, Amazon, anywhere else I could go get the good one, since that was a gray and going with the blue. So I liked it. It's a Moroccan style, however you say it, Moroccan. So I organized his other one, like this one. All his drawers are organized, just that one left. So I cut the template and I just put it in there. I'm gonna give it to my daughter. She's gonna make a video rest and I will cut it and show you. So here right now I'm with one hand. Okay, here you go. Don't, it's fine. Okay, yes, so I just wanted to show so people couldn't know, because sometimes I find difficulty when there is no instruction. So here, please don't have me in there right now. So you can pause it because I just showed how to do it, and then I'll show how to. So now we're just putting this inside since I cut it, and then I'm just gonna place it. Hang on.
Make sure there's no bubbles.
And the good thing is this is adhesive one, so you can reposition however you want to.
And get rid of them bubbles.
Yep, get rid of them bubbles. It's repositioning is
Okay,
not
let's
that
see them.
important because the basket's going to be on them.
Let's see them first.
It would have been better if I would have taken this out, but I didn't, so just bear with me while I positioned it now and it's like perfect.
Well,
So just it's super easy to do. I use this word a lot, super duper super. When you have little kids, you kind of exaggerate things to them. Oh, super cool, super nice. So this is what it is.
we'll be back when it's complete. When it's all out of bubbles.
That's fine. Just hang on. Is it pause? This is what they wanted to see, Zahra. I need to pause. Let me do it. Is it on pause?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna post this video on edit so you can see what my silly daughter and I did. So here's the drawer. Drawer looks pretty nice. She wants me to edit the video. So the art talk, is it pause? Is it unpause? Should not be there, but you know what? This is real life, so I'm not going to unpause it. I'm just gonna have it. You guys see it? So I have a plastic putty knife where I used to get all these wrinkle and stuff.
Where is it?
It's not right now here. You can also use your
Here.
credit
You
card,
can also use the flat bottom of
Yeah.
some Lego.
Legos, or whatever you have on
Lego
hand.
base, just use a flat bottom. Use a flat bottom.
So it's all looks nice.
Or you could just take a whole bunch of Legos and make one. This is a house.
So that does not look the same drawer, does it? The very messy I showed you. So now we're going to place the baskets back in there. And here, honey, give me these baskets, please. Can you?
Alright.
So this little girl brought her unicorn. See, they're always poking their business into his room. So now I'm going to, since we're done with these baskets and it's nice, easy, stackable, not stackable, but like a lot of stock, you could put it in here. And going to place his stuff in there. His
Yeah, you can put a lot of stuff in
deodorant.
here. See?
See, that's my kids for ya. So his deodorant. My brother is a messy man too. I'm telling ya, these men are messy. They are. Sarah, please let me make the video. Okay. So, okay. So here we go, guys. It's all organized. His deodorant goes right here. I might buy.
Right there.
Excuse my daughter's silliness.
The unicorn will point.
I might buy the those putty so goes under so they won't move it because there is a little room and I don't want to put anything in this place. So it looks much better here. Deodorant goes his like haircut stuff. He still have room for some other things if he wants to. His glasses, medication, and his important document, or will be his like all the very important document he keeps very handy. So looks much better than the mess you guys have seen in the beginning. He plays cricket. Cricket is a Pakistani national game, and that's right there. His ball is pretty heavy.
Really?
And here we can put something else, whatever he would like to. I'm gonna show you the difference between a messy and an organized drawer. It's still not that organized the way I want it. Like, I am very picky about my stuff, but it's much better because my brother is gonna tomorrow or whenever he's gonna use it, it's gonna be like this. You know how guys are. So I hope he stays organized, because I have done his drawers organized before for him, and after that he is not one of that organized people. Like my other two brothers, they are super organized. Three of them, not so much. They're messy, like my husband is. So I don't know, for girls could be deal breaker. These things. My little boy shares his stuff with my
Star
brothers,
Wars.
and
He
here is his Star Wars collection.
Broken
A
Jar
lot
Jar
of stuff to
and
deal
broken Han
with, huh?
With
And then
broken
his
Han Solo and
Lego
broken Jar
stuff,
Jar.
etc. I will give you a tour of the room. It's really pretty turned out how I decorated it for.
And twin Kylo.
But right now the drawer is, because I don't want way too long videos to bore you guys. So here we go, and I'm gonna show you all the drawers are organized, but look, this one, it's a mess. It's for next day, like another day. This for $1 I can put organize 2 drawer and like, you know, line them. And here I'm gonna place his trousers, like pajamas, his socks, and his undershirts, etc. will go here. So as you can place his underpants right here, boxers. So I think that would do it. I don't think we need any labels to do anything else, since everything is really visible, and it's solely a boy's dresser, and he's the one who's going to be responsible. I did my job. As you saw in the beginning was a huge mess, and now it's like all organized in sections, and you can see where things are. So hope he will be thankful and happy. Subscribe to my channel, and again, as I said, I am not going if you have any question, leave me a comment below, or like to watch anything else. I am new to videos, so I really need your help. What kind of content you would like to watch? More organizing, more do-it-yourself tutorial, or crafts, or however. So I really need your help, and it would be so helpful if you guys leave your comments below. Thank you so much, and have a great day.